Hello, and welcome to the second session of our Cultivating Calm series, where we'll learn to find a sanctuary of peace in a not-so-peaceful world. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're exploring how to let go of the heavy shadows of the past and practicing how to step back into the light of our own peace. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Let's begin. Bring your awareness into this present moment. Find a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let your hands loose, resting them open and upward, ready to receive. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And let it out through your mouth with a soft sigh. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. The weight of unresolved old hurts, unfair moments, or frustrations settles deep into our muscles, making us feel heavy and tired. It quietly disrupts our peace each day. Before we try to change or push that feeling away, let's just acknowledge it. Let your body notice this internal tension without any judgment. When we feel hurt or wronged, we want to protect ourselves. We hold on to the past event like a heavy shield, replaying moments, holding tightly to the frustrations as if holding on to it could somehow protect us from being hurt again. But holding on to that shield takes an incredible amount of energy. It insists on keeping past conflicts alive in your mind and in your body, deep into your muscles. As you take in your next breath, notice if you are holding that protective grip anywhere in your body. Is it a tightness in your jaw, a tension in your shoulders, clenching in your hands? Let's bring a physical softness there. Let your jaw slacken slightly, parting your teeth, releasing the tension in your face. Wherever it feels tight, soften it with your breathing. True peace enters the moment we allow ourselves to soften our resistance, smooth away the edges, and just breathe. As you breathe out, send that exhale directly down into the tight spaces. See if you can offer yourself permission to drop the heavy shield. Just for this session, right now, right here, you don't have to hold a single thing. Let your muscles completely let go. With each outward breath, feel your chest softening, your belly relaxing, and the weight of the past lifting away layer by layer. Realize that this past anger and frustration is nothing more than a shadow. It has no power of its own. It's simply a place where the light of your present moment is being blocked by the weight you've been carrying. Let go of things unsaid, things undone, beliefs that are no longer serving you, mistakes, letdowns, and disappointments. Let them float away from you and make space for light to enter. As you let go of the weight, the shadow naturally vanishes and the light returns. And peace lives in light. To experience a calm mind and a calm body, you don't need to fix the past. You simply need to open to the light of your present moment. Take a long, slow breath in and breathe out through an open mouth, imagining the heavy, dense energy leaving your body like a gray mist, dissolving into the air around you. Let a wave of physical warmth wash over you, starting at the crown of your head, moving through your neck, softening your chest, and flowing all the way down to your toes. Let fresh air in, and let the warmth dissolve any remaining heaviness. Let every cell of your body breathe in spaciousness. You deserve this in your life. The tightness you feel in your body is not a mistake. It's not a failure of practice. It's simply a gentle map showing you exactly where you've been hurting and where you've been gripping too tightly. And now you're finally ready to drop the burden. Let it go for your own sake and simply be at peace. Let's sit together in this open, unburdened light, enjoying the deep physical quiet we've created for a few moments of quiet stillness. Let's bring our awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, welcoming movement back into a calm, rested body. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes. Come back to this meditation anytime you need to practice the art of letting go. If this space brought you a moment of peace today, I invite you to subscribe to 3 Leaves so we can continue to walk this path together with each new session. Take care of your mind, take care of your body. Until we meet again, be well.